Hey, yo. What's up, guys? Today we found a cat.
Oh, it's leaving. It's going somewhere.
Oh, look, the cat is going somewhere. We found a cat under my dad's truck. No way, it's going over there. Wait, let's go check it out, guys. Oh, it's going under my neighbor's
It's right here.
truck. Bro, it's going under that truck. Oh, it's so cute. Guys, if it's still there, guys, comment down below if we should keep it. Comment down below. It's like meow. I'm gonna go check it out, guys. Oh, it's lost. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Oh, no way.
In the YouTube video.
All right.
End it.
I can't wait. Oh, no way. The cat's still there. If it's still there at night, guys, if it's still there at night, comment down below if we should keep it. Because I don't really want to keep it, but my mom doesn't even like cats.
Nope.
Alright. Got to take out my shoes, guys. Bro, let's go. Alright, who wants to... Ay. Yeah, hold up. Put you over here. Mom, do not end it, alright?
I'm gonna end it.
You better.
It's taking up too much space.
It's not. Just put this hat right there. Put you guys right here.
You didn't end the video. What do you need it for?
Yes, I'm just gonna clean my room.
Well, start it again and when you clean your room. No. Eden.
I'm gonna end it. Alright, guys. My mom told me I gotta end it. Yeah. No. Mom, say bye to my subscribers.
Eden, you need to stop. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Eden.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it.
Eden.